See this right here? I don't really eat that much food, but I gotta support my peoples here. We right over here by the N train, 86th Street. Got that good old food here. My man's finishing up his painting job in and outside the smoking shop. But this is what it's all about. You know, you gotta come here and support your peoples. Cause I'm a take out food idiot. So when I see some good food, I'm gonna pay for it. Yeah, that's pretty right. And they got it right. They got the curry chicken.
Hey baby, how you doing?
They got all this little good stuff here. And they gonna hook me up with a little plate. And I'm gonna get me something to drink. And I'm gonna enjoy myself. I'm like, oh, I got a good meal for the night. Hey, look at that. Nice old fat plate right there. Look at that there. So if you get a chance, stop by the train station, the N train, 86th Street. You know, they'll be camped out over here, putting them plates out. Got the nice little barbecue grill over there, you know, mac and cheese, rasta pasta. Got that rice, you know, side dishes and all that. He's been out here for a while, and I said I come support him when I catch him out here, and I'm doing it right now. Alrighty. That's it. I'm good.
You like a bag?
Yes, ma'am.
Like a bag?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, this is what I'm having right here. This good stuff right here. See, they doing it. They doing it big over here. I'm gonna get my plate, go find me something to drink, and go home. That's what I'm talking about. Great. It's a beautiful thing.